What is up, creator? My name is Scott Fichter, and I'm providing a video series on computer-generated animated backgrounds for your YouTube channel. This grouping is centered around traveling through space, traveling through stars. There's an asteroid field in there. There's a couple wormhole animations. All of these are ready for your use. I'm going to provide instruction on how to download these videos directly to your computer at the end of this video. All of these videos are commercial free and require absolutely no attribution. You just download them to your computer and use them at will. Let's get into the demo. You're still here. All you have to do is click the link in the description. It provides a downloadable zip file. Open them up on your computer and use them at will. If you're interested, I'm providing a series of news videos where our planet Earth spins with some cool creative background animations as well. Just click this link right here and I will see you over there. Yeah.